How to change the theme in Line application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you looking to personalize your chats and make the Line app more fun and stylish? Then you can easily change the theme. It is a great way to refresh the app and make it feel more like your own. First of all, open the Line app on your phone and log into your account. From the home page of Line, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up the settings. Inside the settings menu, tap on Themes under Shops. Now select My Themes on the next page. Under My Themes, select a new theme you want to change to. First, you'll need to download the theme. Tap on the option to download it, and once it is downloaded, click on it and click on Apply at the bottom right. Now you have successfully changed your theme for a Line application. And that's it. Your Line app should now have a fresh new look. Changing themes is a fun way to customize your messaging experience, and you can always switch themes again anytime you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.